Welcome to our channel. I'm Dr. Hannah, here to share simple health and medical tips to keep you and your family happy and healthy. Let's make wellness a part of your everyday life, one step at a time.
Introduction. Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating systems in your body, the immune system. This incredible network works tirelessly to protect you from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. But how does it actually work? In this video, we'll explore the immune system in detail, breaking it down into its key players, strategies, and how it fights off infections to keep you healthy. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of the science behind your body's defense mechanisms. Overview of the immune system. The immune system is your body's personal security team, constantly on the lookout for anything that doesn't belong. It's a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to identify and neutralize threats. There are two main arms of the immune system, the innate immune system and the adaptive immune system. The innate system is your body's general defense team. It acts quickly and broadly. The adaptive system, on the other hand, is highly specific, learning and adapting to new threats. Together, these systems form a dynamic and efficient defense mechanism, safeguarding your health. Innate immune system, the first line of defense. Let's start with the innate immune system, your body's first line of defense. Think of it as a castle wall designed to keep out intruders. The skin is your most visible barrier, but mucous membranes in areas like your nose and mouth also play a vital role, trapping pathogens before they can enter your body. If a pathogen does breach these barriers, specialized cells are ready to fight back. Macrophages patrol your body, engulfing and digesting invaders in a process called phagocytosis. Neutrophils, another type of white blood cell, act as reinforcements, rushing to the site of infection to destroy pathogens. Natural killer cells target and destroy infected or cancerous cells. And then there's inflammation. While it might seem unpleasant, it's actually a sign that your immune system is hard at work, increasing blood flow and sending immune cells to the site of injury or infection. The innate system is fast and always on duty, but its responses are not specific to particular threats. Adaptive immune system, precision defense. Now let's dive into the adaptive immune system, the body's elite task force. Unlike the innate system, the adaptive immune system is highly specialized and capable of learning from past encounters. Central to this system are two types of white blood cells, B cells and T cells. These cells are like detectives, identifying and neutralizing threats with remarkable precision. When a pathogen invades, its unique molecules, called antigens, are presented to the immune system. This is where helper T cells come in. They act as commanders, directing other cells to respond. Cytotoxic T cells are the body's assassins, directly targeting and killing infected cells. Meanwhile, B cells are busy producing antibodies, specialized proteins that bind to pathogens, marking them for destruction or preventing them from infecting cells. The beauty of the adaptive system lies in its memory. Once it encounters a pathogen, it creates memory cells that remember the threat. This is why vaccines work. They train your adaptive immune system to recognize and fight specific pathogens without causing illness. Though the adaptive immune system takes longer to respond initially, its targeted approach and long-term memory make it an essential part of your body's defense. Communication and coordination. Effective immune responses require precise communication between cells, and this is where signaling molecules like cytokines play a crucial role. Cytokines act as messengers, coordinating the activities of various immune cells. They can amplify the immune response, attract cells to the site of infection, or even dampen the response once the threat is eliminated. The lymphatic system, a network of vessels and nodes, also plays a key role. It acts as a transportation system, allowing immune cells to travel throughout the body and detect threats in different areas. Immune system challenges. While the immune system is incredibly effective, it's not without challenges. Sometimes it can mistakenly attack the body's own cells, leading to autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. Other times it may overreact to harmless substances, resulting in allergies. Immunodeficiencies, whether inherited or acquired, can leave the body vulnerable to infections. Despite these challenges, the immune system constantly adapts to new threats, including emerging pathogens and even cancer cells. Conclusion. The immune system is a marvel of biology, a finely tuned machine that protects us every second of every day. From the quick, broad defenses of the innate system to the precise and long-lasting memory of the adaptive system, it's truly one of the most remarkable parts of the human body. Next time you recover from a cold or get through flu season unscathed, take a moment to appreciate the hard work of your immune system. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science and medical content. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.